In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an editor in Wix. Whether you're a business owner needing to collaborate with a team member or simply wanting to share creative control with someone else, inviting an editor to your Wix site is a straightforward process. So, let's get started. First things first, head over to Wix.com. This is your main portal for all things Wix, whether creating a new site or updating an existing one. Once you've arrived at the Wix homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Now you have options here. You can use your Gmail, Facebook or your Apple account to do so. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you. Once logged in, you'll find yourself looking at your site dashboard. An important step before inviting a new editor. Next, you want to navigate over to your site's editor. This is where the magic of designing your website happens, and it's integral for managing collaborations. From the editor, move on to the dashboard associated with your site. Your site's dashboard is like the hub of your website's management activities and settings. It's the backstage area where you get a comprehensive view of everything relating to your site's performance and settings. In the dashboard menu, look out for the settings option. Under this section you will find roles and permissions. This area is critical because it's where you set who can do what on your site. From managing content to controlling various elements, everything depends on roles and permissions. Click on roles and permissions and you'll be guided to the area where you manage access. Now you're going to want to click on the invite people button. Doing so will open up a new window where you can actually send invitations. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Be sure to double check the email for accuracy before inviting. Once the email is entered, it's time to assign a role. Depending on what kind of access and responsibility you want the new editor to have, you can choose from pre-defined roles that fit typical needs or create a custom one if you're looking for something more specific. After setting the role, the next action is to click Send Invite. Once you do this, Wix will shoot off an invitation to the email address you provided. This email will outline the steps your new collaborator will need to follow to join and start editing. And there you have it. By following these steps, your desired contributor will receive an email invitation to join your site. They'll need to accept this invitation to gain access. It's as simple and seamless as that, perfect for keeping your projects on track with the help you need. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.